but name is often shortened to the Tiger King. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intentions of pretending to advance only to an end in to have no intentions of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of Stuka Mongol will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can lead a hasty retreat from my story. This is what the title is telling. कदाच एक बॉम्ब हाउस में कोई पर्टिकुलर डायनास्टी मारा ऊपर अटैक करसे ने तो पण મને કોઈની બીક લાગતી right? I'm ready to face that battle. I'm ready to face that battle. I'm not afraid of anyone. That is what the king is saying, right? Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of a vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharata said to Rama about Dasharatha, the Tiger King has reached the final abode of all the living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. જેવડનો જન્મ થયો ને ત્યારે પ્રેડિક્શન કરવું ખોટું. As soon as he was born, the particular astrologer was not in a state of mind to disclose each and everything about the life of the king, right? But story no एक end હોય. Story no एक end હોય. Every story has an end. એટલે astrologer ને એવું થયું, I will tell him. I will tell to the king and I will tell to this small boy who is the prince, that is the king. જે 20 વર્ષ પછી king બન્યો. હું જાહેરમાં કહી દઉં what is going to happen in this life. What is going to happen in his life, right? The manner of death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the day. It can be revealed only at the end of the day. End is always at the end. End is always at the end. That is of a tale, fairy tale. जो secret પહેલાથી ખબર પડી જાય, if the ending parts that you know, then you don't like to watch a movie or you don't like to hear a story, right? એટલે fairy tale પણ એવું જ છે, story જે છે તમને કોઈ એમ કે તમે કેવી રીતે જોશો એવું તમને કહું, so you will be very much interested how am I going to die, right? Either by next date or which age or what time, where, everything you will know, right? તમને બધું જાણવાની ઈચ્છા થાય. અહીંયા પણ આવું છે. The matter that has been discussed over there is about the death of the king. Now that is something very extraordinary. That is something very extraordinary, right? હવે 10 દિવસનો છે, કેટલા ડેઝનો છે? 10 days. And the particular astrologer is predicting or saying something about how this king is going to die. How this king is going to die, right? The most fantastic aspect of this demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers has foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, and champion of champions. Fearless as a fearless. He will be the hero of heroes and champion of champions. कोई नाती डरतो नहीं है. He will be fearless. He will be very powerful, right? But their big lips and swallowed heart, when compared to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all. પેલા એ લોકો ડરતા હતા secret વિશે. What was the secret? How the king is going to die. They were swallowing their throat like this. Should I say yes or no? How the king is going to die. एक बाजू हम कहूँ he is going to be the king of kings and warrior of warriors and champion of champions. And on the next particular statement I am going to tell about how he is going to die. So the astrologers were afraid. The astrologers were એ લોકો વિચારતા કે કહું કે should I tell him yes or no, right? And yet we are forced to speak out. The child who was born under this star will one day have to meet its death. The child who was born under a star and one day it has to meet with its death. And that very moment a great miracle took place. A great miracle. Miracle means something great which was unexpected. Took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of a 10-day-old Jinali Jam Jam Bahadur. Oh wise prophets, a 10-day-old boy is saying to the prophets, oh wise prophets, oh wise prophets. શેની વાત કરો છો? મારા ડેથની? Talk to me. talk to a 10 days old boy who is a prince is using these words, O wise prophets, right? Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. પેલા જે એસ્ટ્રોલોજર્સ હતા ને એમને વિશ્વાસ જ ના. Who is speaking? A 10 days old boy, એક 10 દિવસનો છોકરો અમારી જોડે વાત કરે છે. And they blinked their eyes. That means they were not ready to believe what this particular boy was saying. Right? Generally, dog બે વર્ષ થાય જીભ આવતા, right? A child of 2 years ત્યારે ધીમે ધીમે બોલવાનું ચાલુ કરે, દોઢ બે વર્ષ. Right? આ 10 દિવસનું child હતું and he started speaking. Right? And પેલા લોકો એકબીજાની સામે જોતા હતા. The astrologers were looking at each other. Is he really the prince who is speaking? Right? Moving ahead. O wise prophet, second time बोले थे जो. O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. It was, don't be scared. હું જ છું અને હું જ બોલ્યો. That is what in 10 days boy is speaking, right? This time there was no ground for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. He was speaking very clearly, right? The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intensely at the baby. Right? The spectacles, the main officer होता है, he removed his spec and is looking at the face of a baby. Right? That was clearly કેવી રીતે બોલી શકે? Sorry, 10 days, right? 10 days, right? How can he speak so clearly? Right? They were astonished, right? They were surprised. This is impossible. This is, second time बोले थे, O wise prophet, it was I who spoke, right? All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the matter of that death. Who is speaking this line? The boy. એમાં કોઈ બહુ મોટી વાત નથી. If you are born, you are going to die. Please tell me the manner. How am I going to? મને એમાં વધારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. If you are born, you are going to die. That is a very common thing, right? Please tell me the manner. Please tell me the manner in which I am going to die. જ્યારે કોઈ તમને એમ કહે that you are going to die in this year, at this time, at this place, or at that moment, આપણે બહુ alert થઈ જાય, right? એ સમય આવે એટલે, right? Now it is my death time, right? Few hours are remaining, few seconds are remaining, and you will try to be very safe. એ જગ્યાને તમે avoid કરો. Because you know that you are going to die in that place, right? અહીંયા કિંગ ને પણ એવું જ હતું. કિંગ બી પૂછે છે what is the manner or what is the way in which I am going to die. તો પેલા એસ્ટ્રોલોજર્સ ને કેવું નહોતું. They didn't want to tell how the king is going to die. તો પેલો છે ને 10 દિવસનું જે બાળક છે ને એ બહુ કોન્ફિડન્ટલી પૂછે tell me the man, tell me the. હવે જો પેલા એસ્ટ્રોલોજર્સ જવાબ આપે, right? There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of their death. The royal infant uttered this word in his little squeezy voice. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in a wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opens its lips in speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible. Rather like the bulletins issued by a war office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. The prince was born in an hour of bull. The prince was born in an hour of bull. એ જ્યારે જન્મ લીધો આપણે ચોંગડિયા જોડે, right? તો એ જે સમય હતો, that was the time of bull. Bull ખબર છે ને bull, right? એવું એકદમ strong animal, wild beast, right? That is bull. So when the king was born, it was an hour of bull. That is why the king was very strong. That is why the king was very strong, right? Now he was born in the hour of bull, and in the jungle. Who is the enemy of the bull? Tiger. Yes, that is why you are going to die by a tiger. And technically, tigers are the most unpredictable natures on this particular planet. Right? Tigers એક એવા animals છે, right? જે કોઈને છોડતા નથી. Right? No one, any territory માં કોઈ પણ જાય, tiger એને પતાવી દે. They are going to finish them. Whoever it is. Lions are not like that. Leopards and cheetahs are not like that. Yes. એને ભૂખ ના લાગી હોય ને તે જવા દે, they let it go. right? But tigers are not like that. And I have researched many things on tigers, right? मैं बहुत बड़ी research की tigers. They are said to be the most dangerous wild animal on this planet. ये लोगों ने भूख लगे ना, tigers if they are hungry, they go into the water and kill a crocodile. ये इतना है ना dangerous. Lions and cheetahs and leopards they don't go in water. ये लोग पानी में ना जाते. Tigers love water. Right? ये पानी में जाते. And I have seen on Discovery and Animal Planet that if they are hungry, right, they go deep in the water and kill the crocodiles. ये પછી જોએ જ નહીં કોણ છે. એની ટેરિટરીમાં એના એરિયામાં તમે આવ્યા તો ફિનિશ. Lions, leopards, cheetahs they are all not like this, right? ये लोगों ने ना भूख હોય ને તો ના ખાય. Tigers को पता है you are in my territory, finish, you are gone, right? And the weight of a tiger is on around average of 350 to 400 kg. 350 થી 400 કિલો નો tiger is what, right? Average એનું weight is what, that is the weight of the tiger. Now the king is a bull. Now the king is a બંને વચ્ચે war થાય. Obviously the tiger is on the higher side. The tiger is going to kill at one point of time, right? Do you know how tigers kill? Do you know how tigers kill? They bite on the neck. And they finish their prey. પછી ગમે એટલું મોટું હાઈટ મોટું હોય ને ગળું એકવાર તેના દાંતમાં ફસાઈ ગયું ને એટલે નીચે જ બેસી. And they finish their life. This is what it is. And tigers, any special, any speciality શું હોય ખબર? They are always alone. સિંહ હોય ને સિંહ એનો ઝુંડ હોય તો શિકાર ભેગા થઈને કરે. ટાઈગર્સ એવા નથી હોતા. એને કોઈની જરૂર નથી હોતી. તે એકલો જ રહે, એકલો જ શિકાર કરે ને એકલો જ ખાય. They don't require the help of anyone. Right? Lions, cheetahs, they all are hyenas, right? They are not like that. Even the hyenas are most dangerous on this planet. Hyenas ભેગી થાય ને એટલે સિંહને બતાવે. They even kill the lion. But એક tiger ને 10 hyenas હોય ને, right? તો hyenas tiger ઉપર attack કરતા હોય. That powerful the tiger is. Right? They do not enter into the territory of a tiger. Right? Even hyenas do not enter. Right? સિંહોમાં કેવું હોય લાયન્સમાં ખબર? સિંહણ હોય ને શિકાર કરે. સિંહ ક્યારે શિકાર ન કરે. સિંહણ શિકાર કરે પછી બેઠો બધો સિંહ ખાય. Right? This is the law of jungle. This is the law of jungle. Right? Tigers માં એવું નથી. Tigers માં એવું હોતું અને જ્યારે સિંહ ખાતો હોય ને, right? અને જો હાયનાસ આવી જાય ને ખાવા તો સિંહ જતો. પણ જ્યારે ટાઈગર ખાતો હોય એનો શિકાર એક હાયના એ આજુબાજુ ફરતી. They are that much afraid. Yes. હજી ઘણા બધા એવા સ્ટ્રોંગ પોઈન્ટ્સ છે ટાઈગર ને. I'm going to tell you, it is going to take the whole lecture, right? I know many things about tigers, but my point is now there is a bull and there is a, obviously there is going to be a war, right? The prince was born in an hour of a bull and the enemy is tiger, right? In hour of bull, the bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore death comes from the tiger, he explained. You may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. એટલે પેલા એસ્ટ્રોલોજર ને એવું હતું કે હું ટાઈગર નું નામ લઈશ ને so the prince is going to be afraid. The prince is going to be, prince ને જરાય બીક નથી લાગતી. What does the prince reply? That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the crown prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let the tigers go and tell to all the tigers which are there in the jungle that there is one bull who is standing in this particular planet, that is me. And tell to all the tigers to be aware of. Prince એવો જવાબ આપે. જેટલા ટાઈગર્સ છે ને જેને કહેતો there is one bull, that is the king himself, right? Who is there in this jungle, let the tigers be there. Let the tigers be there. That is what the statement is given by an old, that is 10 days prince. Old 10 days. એ કોને જવાબ આપે છે? એસ્ટ્રોલોજર. He is even not afraid of the tiger. Right? No prince case. This account is only a rumor line in Pratibandham course. But with the hindsight, we may conclude it is based on some truth. It is based on some truth. Now, what is the truth? What is the end? That we will discuss in the climax. Right? Moving towards the second part, and then we will be done. Part number 2. Crown Prince Jamjam Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracles marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in an English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films, royalty, right? बद्दी वस्तु एकदम quality वाला. Prince एवा जो है, right? They whatever they get, that is in royalty. That is on the extreme level, right? By an Englishman saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown prince of all the other Indian states did. When he came an age of 20, the state which has been with the coat of words until then came to him into his hands. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. When he continued to discuss the matter, slowly it came to Maharaja's ears. Now he was 20 years old. How many years old? 20. And it gave what? What was that particular thing? That astrologer once said that you are going to die by a child. And it gave what? Parthi Maharaja કારણે એક ગામમાં લોકો કિંગ વિશે આવી વાત. Now he was very strong. He was 20 years old. So you can imagine the strength, right? Over the strength, young, powerful, right? Skillful. ये बात 20 વર્ષે किंग ना काનમાં આવશે. और जो किंग શું રિએક્શન આપ્યું. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. When he continued to discuss the matter, slowly it came to Maharaja's ears. There were innumerable forests in Pratibandhapura state. They had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old sayings. You may kill even a cow in self-defense. There would certainly be no objection to killing the tigers in self-defense. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर यहाँ क्लियर करे, सेल्फ डिफेंस में तुम्हें टाइगर ने मारसो ने, so that will not be counted. That will not be counted. You kill a tiger intentionally. You kill a tiger intentionally. 99 tigers. यहाँ સુધી कोई वांधो नहीं आ रहा. तो you kill a tiger intentionally. शिकार करे नहीं कि राजा शिकार करे. That kind of thing. तो 100 को टाइगर जरा शिकार करीस ना. That 100 tiger is going to kill you. Is going to, right? Self defense में टाइगर अथवा कोई काव अथवा कोई ऑक्स ने तुम्हें मारो. That is not a killing. That is just saving your own life in your self defense. But if you kill someone intentionally, especially the tigers, right? 99 સુધી વાંધો આવશે. જો 100 માં टाइगर આવશે ને, ત્યાં પ્રોબ્લેમ. એટલે મહારાજાને એ વસ્તુ યાદ હતી. He went from his palace and he went into the forest. Which place? Pratibandham. What did he do? He killed the first tiger. He killed the first tiger. Right? जो आगे सुने. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measures when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. This is the first one. This is the first one. Still more 99 to go. Wait and watch. I am killing each and every one. Right? What do you say now? He demanded. Your Majesty, may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner. But the astrologer drawled. But what? Speak without fear. But you must be very careful with the 100 tiger. You must be very careful with the 100 tiger. What if the 100 tiger were also killed? So, how tiger who mine up to? That is what the king is saying. The astrologer is job. Then I will tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them, and I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent. The astrologer finished off on an inordinate, that is in a polite way. In an, મારી જેટલી books છે બધી સળગાવી દઈશ, and I will cut off my hair, and I will be an insurance agent. I will be an. Is this clear? Yes or no? So we are stopping the video over here. The remaining part, that is part number 3, 4, and the end. Right? We will discuss in the next session.